Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through
How to turn on Find My iPhone. Here is a quick and easy guide on how to turn on your Find My iPhone. First of all, simply open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Privacy and Security option available there. Once inside the Privacy and Security, all you have to do is tap on the Location Services option available at the top. And once you tap on the Location Services, just make sure that your location is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then make sure to toggle it on. Once you have toggled on the location, tap on the Share My Location option available there. Now once you tap on the Share My Location, make sure to turn on the Share My Location switch again available there. And once the Share My Location option is toggled on, tap on the Find My iPhone at the top. Then also make sure that the Find My iPhone is toggled on. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.